Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. Today, we've got our Ipsy OG Glam Bag unboxing, so let's get into it and check it out. Ipsy Glam Bag is like the OG of unbagging unboxings. They were one of the first, if not the first. I know Birchbox was out there pretty early too. But I feel kind of like Ipsy is the one that set the bar. This is the original Glam Bag. You will get 5 items each month. It is $13, but you will pay $2 shipping, so it ends up being $15. You generally have sample size products is what they say, but almost every month I have at least one full-size product, plus you get the cute little bag that it comes in. I am not affiliated with Ipsy, but I will put a link down below in case you want to go over and check it out. This is my August bag. Look how cute that is. That design is really cute and fun. I love the greens. I love greens. As a kid, didn't love greens. Now as an adult, like them a lot. August 22. Return to the wild. So that is our theme for August. And on the inside of this, generally we have a little bit about each of the products, one of which I chose with Ipsy. Even with the original Glam Bag, you get to choose one of your products each month. I think the easiest way to do it is to get the app. I do everything I do with Ipsy through the app. And also, if ever you have an issue, like if something comes broken or there's something you need to talk to Ipsy about, I have found that the easiest way to do it is through Twitter. They do @IpsyCare in Twitter, and I always hear back from them within an hour or two. Any problem I have ever had. Everything that I have fit in the bag this month, so we're just gonna dig in and see what I've got. First, we have something wrapped in bubble wrap. Oh, we have the cutest little palette. It's a little foreshadow quad. Actually, I couldn't tell down here because I didn't have the lighting, but from what I can see up there, these colors look great for me. I like this. I may actually try these. A lot of times I pass this along, but with that pink and purple. These two are shimmers and these are mattes. Let's go ahead and swatch them. Ooh, very creamy. These are Farrah. I have a couple of Farrah brushes. Actually, the base brush that I use on my eyes is a Farrah 35, I think. One of my favorites. That is what those look like. Very pretty. That is gonna make a really nice casual eye look. I like that a lot. Farrah eyeshadow quad in Sugar Plum, so it already sounds like I like it. Ready to add some color to your eyeshadow looks? With a blend of shimmers and mattes, this palette of plum-toned shades is perfect for achieving both a toned-down natural look or a sultry, smoky eye. It says this is full-sized and it has an MSRP of $18. So this alone is already more than the cost of the entire bag. Okay, reaching into the bag next. Ooh, Lip Advocate. Oh, by Floss. I haven't had a Floss lippy in quite some time. I have had them in the past. The crayons, we'll see if that's what this is. They are so moisturizing. I like them a lot. That is exactly what this is. When we take it out, that is what it looks like. Ooh. That is a nice color. Let's just go right here. See how you can just build the color? It starts out really subtle, even though it looks so dark, and you can just build it, and it's kind of shiny but balm-like. I have a lot of color here. I really like the feel of these. It feels really nice. I have on a NARS lippy now, but it's in a matte, so we'll add a little shine. The paperwork says Floss Lip Advocate in proof. With a touch of shea butter, this little berry tinted gem delivers long-lasting hydration while giving your lips a soft wash of color. Whether you wear it alone for that perfect natural look or lay it over your favorite lip product for an extra bit of shine, it has your back. This is full-size and it is also, does that say 18 or 13? 18. It is also $18. Next out of our goodie bag, we have a JLo Body Firm and Flaunt Targeted Body Balm, Pink Pepper Slim, and Guarana Seed Extract. It is half an ounce. That is what it looks like. Newsflash, your booty needs its own skincare routine too. We're passing right past that. This balm is boosted with superstar ingredients like energizing Guarana Seed Extract and Pink Pepper Slim, which work together to help reduce the look of stretch marks and give an instant boost of hydration. If this were full-sized, it would be 125 ml at $65. We have 15 ml I'll try and map that and put it here. Guarana seed extract, I think, got its claim to fame through the Boom Boom cream from Sol de Janeiro. That's what they use to make their Boom Boom cream. I'm gonna put just a little bit, I'll put just a little bit on the back of my hand. It's kind of thick. I mean, my inclination is to trust J-Lo and her beauty advice. Just saying. Oh, it's nice and thick. Smells very nice. I like that. It's absorbing. It has a real moisturizing effect, and it feels a little thick, and yet it does feel like it's very moisturizing, and it gave my hand a nice hydrated, compared to this one that I just started slapping powders on. It's a very hydrated look. I don't think you can tell because of, but it feels fantastic. We'll give it a shot. Next out of our, next out of our beauty bag, we have a, better without me, we have a slightly, like I said in one of my other videos last week, she's seen things. We have a slightly squished Grown Alchemist. I think it was a primer because I think this was my choice. Grown Alchemist Anti-Pollution Primer. Want to help shield your skin from the everyday hazards of the digital world? This anti-pollution primer not only helps create a protective barrier against blue light emission damage, but also works wonders in blurring those pesky wrinkles and pores. If this was full-sized, it would be 50 ml at $42, and we have 12 ml. Well, that's very close to a quarter, so this is about $10.50 worth. See, we didn't even need math on that one. It looks just like the bigger Grown Alchemist packaging that we see. And even this tiny little cap has the poke because it is one of those, because it was squished, it just jumped right out. Can you guys see the matte in that? I'm gonna hope, here we go, probably best right there. I'm looking at it and it's clear, but you can almost see that it has a very matte look to it. Very interesting. What I was saying though was, you know, I always say I wish Margot Elena, because a lot of their things have the metal caps. They don't even put the little pokey pokies on their full-size product. And here's a little sample-sized one with it on it. Just saying. Well, let's put this over this. Oh, that lotion, by the way, that booty cream, absorbed right in. Oh, wow. I don't know. Yeah, I don't think I can show you guys. It did that same matte look on the back of my hand. It has a very silicone feel to it, but it does feel like it's gonna be a nice primer. And if you tend to run oily, I would think this would be an absolute great one to, wow. I don't think I can get that across, but my hand looks impeccable. I mean, it looks like a sheet of glass almost, but without the shine. It's just perfect. Wow. Yeah, I will definitely be trying that on my face. Even though in the winter I tend to be my own shade of matte, that feels nice enough that, wow. Wow, that feels really good. Was that the Grown Alchemist Anti-Pollution Primer? I don't know about that whole blue light thing. Oh, it smells good too. Just kind of lotiony, maybe a touch floral. It smells good. And like I said, I think that was my choice. And last out we have Give Them Lala Brow Gel. That is what that looks like. It's basically just a white tube. Over here it says in a very light gold that it's Give Them Lala. It's a brow gel and clear. And they say this is the full-sized and it is $18. I have a lot of full-sized $18 items in here. This lightweight brow gel is like a magic wand for your eyebrows, giving you fuller, structured, and oh so natural looking arches. No more unruly brow hairs getting in your way. This flake-free formula locks them in place and keeps them there all day long. I am using a Wander Beauty gel that I have probably been using just a touch too long. You know how that happens. So I think that I will give this one a try in its place. All right, let's see. Oh, I love that little size. It is a perfect, probably better without me again. It is that perfect little size. Can you guys see it's just from here to here? I like that. I think no scent, so at least no unusual smells. Very good. Following in the winning Ipsy trend that I've had lately, all of my Ipsy boxy icon boxes have been fantastic. And for a $15 bag, I think I win again. So in this adorable little bag, we got the JLo Booty Cream that smells very good and absorbed very nicely. The Give Them Lala Brow Gel, that's fantastic. The Floss Lippy, I have had those in the past, always like them. I like that you can use them very lightly. You could do it when you were going to bed if you want, because you just get a nice kind of balmy, shiny feel to it. But if you keep building it up, it does build up to a nice color. That cute little Farrah quad of eyeshadows, always fun to try new eyeshadows. And my choice, the Grown Alchemist Primer, which is going to protect me from all the nice blue lights. What a fun, I can't even tell you the last time it just came in my bag and the bag looked that cute. I like the way that looks a lot. Thank you so much for coming by. Again, I will put the information for Ipsy down below. I am in no way affiliated with them. I appreciate you taking the time to be here with me. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when we have more videos coming out. Take care, guys.